Top 5 plants that repel mosquitoes. The summer is almost here and so are the mosquitoes. The bad thing is that they are out in full force this year. We all love the hot summer days, but we can't forget the unwelcome intruders that tag along with the sunny summer weather. Yes, we are talking about mosquitoes, and everybody knows that they can be a huge nuisance. However, using chemical products to keep them away is not on the top of everyone's wish list. Just watch the video and you will learn some new ideas of plants that repel mosquitoes naturally. Here are the top 5 plants that repel mosquitoes. 1. Lemongrass. Did you know that lemongrass is one of the best and most effective nature's own indoor or outdoor natural protection against biting mosquitoes? Lemongrass is named for its lemon aroma and delicious lemon flavor. We highly recommend this powerful mosquito repellent for mosquito protection. The best thing about lemongrass is that it's very easy to grow and it requires no special care. Thrives magnificently in full sun or partial shade. Lemongrass grows lush and thick, up to 3 feet tall, and it spreads out a full foot wide. It also looks great, smells great, unless you're a mosquito. But supplies are limited. You must act now to get this wondrous natural repellent plant in time for this year's mosquito season. 2. Citronella. You've probably heard about citronella candle, or you maybe have one in your home. But why bother with a candle when you can simply plant something pretty in your yard and get the same benefit? You should know that citronella works great in flower beds or in planters, so plant plenty of it. Most people like to have it in several planters and move it with them around the yard as they tend to their yard to keep mosquitoes at bay. 3. Marigolds. Did you know that these pretty flowers are excellent at repelling bugs? Well, yes, and many people choose to plant marigolds in and around their vegetable garden to help deter bugs that like to nibble on young plants. You should also know that marigolds are also a great benefit planted in flower pots and set around a deck or yard to help repel the mosquitoes. Once the flowers have dried up, save the little black seeds for next year. They will last just fine in a bowl or container until next planting season. You can't go wrong with adding this as one of the plants that repel mosquitoes. 4. Mint. You probably already know that mosquitoes don't like the refreshing, delicious scent of mint. Nobody knows the exact reason, but the fact is that they don't. Mint is a very hardy plant that grows rapidly in the ground or in pots. You can pick mint leaves and rub them on your skin as a mosquito repellent, or just include the plants in your landscape. 5. Rosemary. You probably already know that rosemary is awesome for cooking, but did you know that this super healthy herb is also great for repelling mosquitoes too? Rosemary likes a Mediterranean climate, so it thrives in well-draining soil and full sunlight. Rosemary is very easy to grow and doesn't require much water. You should also know that if you live in a warm climate, your rosemary will even survive the winter. Note, but if you live in a climate where the winter dips below 30 degrees F, plant your rosemary in pots so that you can bring it indoors during the winter. Rosemary is technically a shrub and can get quite large, so trim it frequently. It is one of the unknown and least common used plants that repel mosquitoes, but works great. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.